Hello and welcome back to Rolling Lines, Earlestown Junction. This isn't going to be part 4. There's been a new update, an AI update, where trains interact. Well, you basically program them to do whatever you want them to do. Stop, start, whistle, slow down, speed up, reverse, by using the lights. Now, I've not got into all that yet, but what I'm going to do is show you a simple way you can use this new system, new update, by just plonking a sign down wherever you want, a station or wherever, and get a train to stop for a designated amount of time that you choose yourself. I'll go straight over to platforms 4 and 5. I'm going to try not to show you too much of the layout in case you actually are following the series. Don't want to spoil it for you. And put the sign down. Press Q. This little thing comes up just like when you're setting your audio or whatever. Well, 10 seconds isn't very long. I'm going to change that in a minute. So you click Fixed Direction. Make sure you toggle the source track at the top to make sure the arrow is on the right track. Then toggle the direction to make sure it's facing the way you're going, and then set apply. Change the time as well. I'll pick Arriva trains. Press Y. It goes off on its own. I'm no longer in control of that train with the controller. But we'll have a little ride round. I know it's sad, but I like to get a cup of tea, something to eat, and I just sit in a passenger seat and go round and round and round. Boys and their toys, eh? Can't wait to have more scenery, and it'll be nice going round on the trains then. Well, even better, it is nice going round on the trains, it'll be even better. I've got to say, I love steam trains, but now I've been messing around with these sprinters, I think these are perhaps one of my favourite trains. The question is will we stop? We'll soon find out, won't we? We're coming up to junction. Yeah, we're stopping. Brilliant. We're a little bit farer, we're a little bit past the platform, but it's just a matter of messing about with the signs and reprogramming until it stops where you want it. And we're off again. Brilliant. What an update. Passing the North Western on its way to Liverpool. That'll be stopping at platform 3 on its own. I'm moving off again. There's a sneak preview of Catherine Way and Bradley Road Bridge. And there it is, pulling away after 14 seconds wait. You can program it for whatever time you want. It's up to you. Now let's just watch a train coming into the station on platform 1. You get a sneak preview of the station as well. Quite pleased with it so far. Coming from Liverpool on its way to Manchester. A train coming back from Wales there, or Chester, wherever.